Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to auto-park your Tesla Model Y. Auto-park is a fantastic feature that helps you effortlessly park in both parallel and perpendicular spots. It uses your car's cameras and ultrasonic sensors to accurately identify suitable parking spaces. To activate this helpful feature, simply drive slowly near a potential parking spot, and your Tesla will do the rest, making parking a breeze. To activate Auto Park, drive slowly, typically under 10 miles per hour, alongside the parking space you wish to use. Keep an eye on your Tesla's touchscreen display. When your vehicle detects a suitable spot, a gray P icon will appear. Simply tap this P icon on your screen to confirm you want to use Auto Park for that specific space. Once activated, your Tesla will begin to maneuver itself into the detected parking space. It's important to keep your hands off the steering wheel and your feet ready to press the brake pedal. While Auto Park is highly capable, always remain vigilant and prepared to take control if necessary. The system will guide your vehicle smoothly into the spot, adjusting as needed. After your Tesla has successfully maneuvered into the parking space, Auto Park will automatically shift the vehicle into park. A confirmation message will appear on your touchscreen, indicating that the parking process is complete. Before exiting your Model Y, always take a moment to double-check your parking position to ensure it's perfectly aligned and safe. Enjoy your perfectly parked Tesla.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.